Transfer your Shopify store without breaking a sweat or your keyboard. Stick around, because I'm going to show you how to do it faster than you can say add to cart. First things first, make sure your store is actually eligible for a transfer. Some stores might be like that one friend who never wants to leave the party, stubborn. Double-check any restrictions based on your setup or plan before moving forward. Signing up for Shopify. In the description of this video, you'll find a special sign-up link that will enable you to extend your trial for an additional 3 months. So make sure you use that link to save some money. Log into your Shopify admin panel and head straight for the Settings button. Yep, that tiny button chilling at the bottom left corner. Click it like you mean it. Now, on the left-hand side, find Users and Permissions. Think of it as your exclusive guest list. Only the cool kids and new owners get in here. Time to pass the crown. Scroll down to the Store Owner section and smash that Transfer Ownership button like you're hitting the buzzer in a game show. Fill in the new boss's info, email, first name, last name. Oh, and don't forget your password. It's like the secret handshake, but less cool and way more necessary. Double-check everything, because once you hit Transfer Store Ownership, it's like sending off your kid to college. Emotional? Maybe. Necessary? Absolutely. Now, sit back and relax, preferably with a cup of coffee, because the new owner will get an email invite. They just need to accept it, and boom, transfer complete. And that's it. You've officially handed over your Shopify empire. No drama, no stress. If this video helped, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more OG tips, and drop a comment if you survive the transfer without crying. Catch you next time.